Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Creamed corn is a truly comforting dish, beloved for its sweet and savory flavor and its wonderfully creamy texture. It's a perfect side dish for almost any meal, especially popular in Southern cuisine. Best of all, making it at home is surprisingly simple, requiring just a few basic ingredients and a little bit of time. You'll be amazed at how easily you can create this delicious, comforting dish right in your own kitchen. You'll only need a few simple ingredients to whip up this delicious side, making it a budget-friendly option too. Start with a bag of frozen corn kernels, or fresh if you have some on hand. You'll also need a good knob of butter, some heavy cream or milk, and a little bit of sugar to balance the flavors. Don't forget salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and you're good to go. First, melt a generous amount of butter in a large skillet or pot over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering and melted, add your corn directly to the pan, stirring it well to coat every kernel evenly. Cook the corn gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing it to warm through and start releasing its natural sweetness. This initial step helps build a wonderful flavor foundation for your creamed corn. Now it's time to add the creaminess and flavor. Pour in your heavy cream or milk, along with a little sugar, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Stir everything together really well, making sure all the corn is coated. Then, reduce the heat to low and let it gently simmer, stirring occasionally until the mixture thickens beautifully, which should take about 10 to 15 minutes. The corn will soften and absorb all that rich, delicious flavor. Before you serve, take a moment to give your creamed corn a taste. You might want to adjust the seasonings, perhaps adding a little more salt, pepper, or even a tiny bit more sugar, depending on your preference. Serve it warm as a truly comforting side dish with roasted chicken, tender pulled pork, or a hearty steak. It's always a crowd pleaser and a delicious, classic addition to almost any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.